It is often necessary to create beautiful 3D subtitles even in video. That's why this video was made. In today's short video I show you how to create a nice 3D text in PhotoDirector. First, make sure that we are in editor mode. I'm starting with a completely empty project, so open the Add New Layer menu and select the Create Empty Project. Let's name our new project. I'll name it at 3D Text. Set the typical thumbnail size to 1920 by 1080 and hit OK. I'm adding a new solid color layer now. This will be my background color. You can choose any other color you like. The layer mask is automatically selected, which is not suitable for me. Select the layer thumbnail, otherwise the modification creates a change on the mask. I will show you this. If I put the text on the mask and enter the text we use, 3D text, you will see the layer below it, because the default mask type is Reveal All. Delete the changes using the undo icon. Then select the layer thumbnail, put the text object and enter the text again. So type 3D text. I'm going to place the text exactly in the middle with the help of the guidelines, the horizontal and the vertical. Make sure you have selected the text layer and open the layer properties dialog using the right mouse click on the text layer. The layer properties dialog opens. Now close it. I show you that you can also open this dialog by clicking on the FX icon on the text layer, or click on the layer options icon here and select the first layer properties menu item to open the properties dialog again. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit to see better the resulting text. Now turn on the bevel and emboss functions by marking the checkbox here. The default settings turn the text into nice 3D. Set the size of the bevel to cover each other in both sides. You can smooth out overlaps using the soften slider. With the help of the depth slider, you can adjust the depth of the text in that direction, that is from our eyes. Adjust the position of the light source by rotating light source control. With these modifications, we created a nice 3D text. If you want a different colored text, select the text by clicking on this small colored box. We boldly change the color of our text. If the color you are looking for is found, hit OK. As you can see in the editor, the shading is a bit ugly. Open the layer properties dialog and zoom in a little bit again. You can adjust the height of the light source using the light altitude slider. This eliminates the weird low angle shading. If you want to add shadows to your text, this will not work. If you select the shadow checkbox, the shadow doesn't appear, nor with the help of the offset slider, even by setting the shadow color. To use shadows, you must open the layer properties dialog box clicking on FX icon on the text layer. Zoom in and turn on the drop shadow functions. You can set the distance of the shadow from the text by using the distance slider. The extent of the shadow with the combination of the spread and the size sliders. And Set the position of the shadow by changing the direction of the light source. So now we created a very nice shaded 3D text. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next video. Bye.